Hello everyone, my name is Shunge, and this is a demonstration for my homework, create a basic CI/CD pipeline for a Hello World web application. As you can see here, the web application should be very simple, just to print out Hello World, and you can see it should be displayed on the web page. And then we need to scan it with a Sonar Cube, and then incorporate it into a CI/CD tool. Then you can use anything you know about already. For instance, the professor gave us a list of the tools I can use, and the whole pipeline should be automatically build, test, and the Sonar scan. Okay, let me start to introduce my project based on these requirements. The project I built is a very simple Angular web application. Here I only have one component, the app component. I assign a title with Hello World, and in the HTML file, I will be display the title here. And also I created this test specs here. What I'm testing is first whether the component is correctly created, and then I will also test whether title equals Hello World. So if I accidentally change it to anything else in the title, it will be fail the test. Here is my GitHub directory. I call it Hello World, which is a public one. I already included in my assignment. You can check it here. And everything I add here, I can use the command line here to perform a git commit and push. The tool I'm using is AWS Code Pipeline, and here is the management console. You can see Code Pipeline here. I click it, and I already have one. It's in failed status, and that's on purpose. I will try to correct it. And you can see here we have a code pipeline. I add 4 stages here. Source, code review, build, and deploy. What did they do here? You can see here the source. I will incorporate my GitHub inside it. It will provide our code source to the pipeline. Whenever I commit anything to the GitHub, it will trigger the pipeline. Code review is I incorporate the Sonar Cloud inside this code build. Click here, you can see. You can control it by defining a build spec. This is a very important file to define what should we do in a code build. And basically, you need to install the code scanner, Sonar scan, and scan it, call the Sonar scanner inside this code build. Okay. Next will be build. Yeah, this part it failed because as I mentioned, the test part I should print out hello world, not just hello. That's why it failed. And it's also a code build, AWS code build. It's also defined by the build spec. Here you can see. Basically, the build part, basically, I will build the project. We'll use Node.js, build a project, and call the ng test. The install phase, you will install the required libraries, dependencies, and so on. Here I install a lot of things. For instance, in order to test it, I need to install some Chrome related dependencies so that I can test this web page. Let's see. And after that, this artifacts is very important. It will define which file you should copy, paste to the next stage, the deployment stage, which I'm using a AWS Amazon S3 to host a static websites. And here you can see this is my last build. When it succeeds, you can check the website by going to the properties. Here, static website hosting. Before you need to enable this actually because it's S3. It doesn't support. It's not automatically enable the static website hosting. So you need to enable it by add it. see here, you need to enable it, right? Then it will give you a link to host to display the web page. It's already working, so for instance, if I click here, it will display the hello world. This is the correct build last time, and then I make it incorrect because I change it. I changed this title to hello, which is incorrect. Okay, I'm gonna demonstrate how this pipeline automatically built. Right now, you can see the title here is hello, and this will fail the test I configure here. The title must equal hello world, and that's the reason why the build phase is fail, as you remember in the code pipeline. And here I can correct it. I add the missing world here, and I save it, and I can perform the git add all, git permit, correct the title, and I will push it to my real world directory master branch. Okay, done. You can see here it's pushed to my GitHub. This will trigger the code pipeline automated process. And if you come here, you can see it's automatically built here. Right? We can wait for a while to see the result. Now it's going to the code review status. You can see here, it's the circling, and it's going to perform a sonar scan here. Now you can see here it start to build, and it's going to this stage. Okay, as you can see here, now the build succeed, and you come to the details, you can see the build results. And everything is alright. You can see a lot of results, and you can see the test results. I have only 2 tests, and both of them success. Alright, and then it will be go to the last stage, deploy, and it will be updated to the Amazon S3. I already showed here. You can just come here and just reload here. And also, if you go to the Sonar Cloud, and you can see, oh, this is last time. If I reload it, you will see the last analysis will be the time I run this. The last time I run this code review, it will call the sonar scan, and then you will see the result here. And the last time run is the time I just ran it, and it's passed. All right, thank you very much.